Hi there, this is a step-by-step guide on how to embed your Google Calendar in Notion. I'm going to show you two ways to embed your Google Calendar in Notion. The first is using the native Google Calendar embed, and the second way is to use Plus, which requires you to install a Chrome extension. The native Google Calendar embed will create an embed that looks like this with the blue borders. The Plus embed allows you to take a screenshot of your calendar and have that exact view appear inside of your Notion doc. So here's how we do it. We'll start with the public calendar link first. Step one for using the public calendar link is to turn on public sharing for your Google Calendar. Go down to the calendar that you want to share, click on the three-dot menu, settings and sharing, and then check this button for make available to public. This will only work if you check this button, so if you don't want to check the make available to public button, you'll have to follow method 2 instead. After clicking this button, it'll give you a warning, and don't use this link that says get shareable link. Instead, scroll further down the page to the public URL for your calendar. Once you have this public URL copied onto your clipboard, go back into Notion, paste it into your Notion document, and press the Create Embed button. Once you create the embed, Notion will automatically drop this calendar into your Notion document. If you want to see the weekly view or the agenda view, you can click and swap between these things. However, every time you reload this page, it'll default back into the monthly view. This might not be the thing that you're looking for when you want to embed your calendar. So if you want to embed a calendar that looks more familiar to what you're normally seeing in Google Calendar, follow method 2 instead. The second way to embed Google Calendar in Notion is to use the Plus extension. Plus is a Chrome extension that allows you to take live screenshots of any app or website and then embed them in your favorite productivity tools, including Notion. Here's how it works. I'm going to pull up that same calendar that we're just looking at, click on the Plus Chrome extension, and take a snapshot of the page. Looks and feels just like I'm taking a normal system screenshot. From here, I can name my snapshot. And then copy the link directly to your clipboard. From here, I can go back into my Notion document and to add it to my page, I just copy in the link. And there is my Google Calendar in the normal weekly view that you are used to seeing. The other thing I can do with Plus is take a snapshot of the daily view, the monthly view, check the button for specific calendars on and off, and embed it just like the way that you're used to seeing it inside of Google Calendar. That's a quick walkthrough of how to embed Google Calendar inside of Notion. One other thing to show you is some other ways that you can use the Plus application. Here's a few ways where I might want to embed my Google Calendar as part of a daily dashboard, along with my work from my project management tool, some analytics from our analytics tool, the weather, what it looks like outside in Seattle today, tech news. All these things are just Plus snapshots. Another way people can use Plus snapshots with calendars is tracking their courses and their activities. So here's a nice Notion template that you can download from the link below. Has my calendar, has my courses, as well as my course calendar and my grades. Plus snapshots allow you to embed stuff from any website or app directly inside of your Notion doc, and you might want to try it out as well. Leave a comment if this was a helpful walkthrough, and if you have any questions, I'll get back to you and answer them directly on YouTube. Thank you.